Hello there, it's Bill Race back here in the virtual studio of News Channel 9 with our newsroom behind me. And that's in case this is the first time you've seen this, this is kind of our newest technology that we have in the newsroom now that we can do our Facebook Lives. We can be live on YouTube. We can be, uh, live on Instagram. We can do all those things now at the same time. And so that's why this is a big advantage. And also, I'm going to give you a little rundown here as far as why we are weather alert now for Monday and Tuesday. So let's go through a show here and I'll just tell you about it. First of all, in the weather headlines, hello, Beletta. It's very nice to have you with us. In the weather headlines, the weather alert is for Monday and Tuesday, and it's really for two different reasons. Very windy weather for Monday into Tuesday. And when I say that, we could have gusts up to 40 miles per hour, especially in mountain areas. And so that's why we decided to go weather alert for the Monday period. Then Monday night, late into Tuesday, we are going to be getting into a situation where we are in showers. And now the showers are, this is not expected to be a severe case, but with the showers and the wind, we have to consider both of those things for Tuesday. So that's why we have two separate weather alerts. Let's see, Donna, yes. Hello from Eastridge. So that is kind of one of the reasons why we are have been uh, thinking that it's a good idea that we go ahead and do that. As far as the rest of the week, things are looking, pretty good. After we get through the wind and that rain on Tuesday, the rest of the week looking pretty tranquil. In fact, I don't expect to see any rain really as we go through that period of time. So that is something that we are going to be, continuing to track for you and make sure that we have that correct for you. All right, I'm going to move this along here to a couple different things here first. Let's take a look at what's the planner for tomorrow and for Monday, that is 48 degrees at 9, noon 53, and 61 at 4 p.m. And so not as warm as today as we were near 70 and more clouds, and the wind will be increasing during the day. So remember that. That's very important to remember. And now we're going to take a look at our future track. And again, the camera you see in the top right-hand corner is in the studio there. So I've got to remember to change that. But here is how things are looking as far as our next weather maker. And I'm going to move this back here, go through this. Here's Tuesday early morning hours. And we are seeing the rain getting a little closer. This is Tuesday, 2 a.m. And then it comes on in here in earnest and covers us up. Looks like Monday night late into Tuesday morning daybreak. And then that lasts into Tuesday evening at least. And then it'll be getting lighter in the afternoon and then it'll move on out. And so that is pretty much that as far as any more precipitation. But we'll continue to watch the week. See on Thursday there's a little spot of rain near us. And so with that in mind, we have to at least take that into consideration. What about rainfall amounts in this case? Well, it looks to me and looks like the potential is for perhaps anywhere from 3/4 of an inch to about an inch and a quarter. And so this isn't too much different than the last rain event we had as far as amounts are concerned. And in the Storm Track 9 7-day, we're going to take a look at that. By the way, you can like hit the like button. That's always helpful, not only to let us know that we're doing what you like, and also it just kind of what do they call it? The algorithm. It helps people find out about us, and more people can come and get their information from us if they want to. So here's the 7-day forecast. And what we have here, 2 weather alert days. Remember, we were talking about that earlier. So 61 on Monday. Very windy is the reason. Showers and wind is the reason on Tuesday, low 52, high 63. Then clearing Wednesday, 66, 64 on Thursday. And it looks like small chances of rain. There's a slight chance we could see a shower or two on Saturday, but I think that's pretty much coming out of the forecast. I need to lower that percentage probably at this point. So we are going to find ourselves with a little easier time of it after we get through Monday and Tuesday. And again, it isn't any severe weather as far as thunderstorms, anything like that. It's just some very gusty winds and also some rain. So that's kind of, let's see, let me just say hello to a few people that we have joined us here. And Deanna from Fort Oglethorpe, Jade, hello there. Ruby, good evening to you. Joan, thank you for the nice words. And then we have Barbara and Tina. Brandy, good evening to you as well. And good evening to you, Tina. And is the frost gone? I don't think it's quite gone yet. I'm not ready to call a finish to the frost yet. That's from Paula. And then Alice, good evening to you. Good evening to May. My mother's name was May. And we also have quite a few others here that are coming in. I wanted to show you another thing that we can do now. Of course, I'm certain you can see the comments, always have been able to, because I see you interacting with each other. But we can also put I'm going to use one of you here as an example. I'm not trying to make an example out of you, but I am going to use you as an example. For instance, let's see here. Like Paula was asking, I can put their comments up on the screen here. And so, is the frost gone? I would like to start planting. But Paula, I would wait a little bit. I'd wait a little bit. I wouldn't want you to get started and then have something happen. I always say, as a very conservative day is usually like April 15th in the valleys, May 1st in the mountains. But I know a lot of people want to get going before that. And we'll be able to let you know a little earlier than that. But for right now, there's too many things could still come up. So I'm not ready to call an end to the frosty weather or the possibility of any even freezing temperatures. We had some this morning even. So that should tell you, that's something that we have to be cautious of. And let's see what else we got here. Here is Deanna. Thank you for keeping us up to date. Well, it's my pleasure. And thank you for the comment. And we just have a lot of people joining us. 80 mile per hour winders due here. Well, I don't think we had 80 mile per hour winds. If we did, it got by me. I'm not expecting winds up to 80 miles per hour with this. I think more commonly we could see 15 to 25 as a general rule, or 15 to 30 even on Monday night, but then gusting, up to 40 perhaps. And let's see. This is more of a conversation, Richard. I know that in some cases it has might say alert on there, and I'm going to talk to the people who do all these things here and make sure that isn't deceiving. Yeah, Kayla, this is kind of developed during the day today. Talked to the Storm Track 9 team, and we just decided that with the winds being as they are going to be in some places, especially, that it was best that we make sure people are aware of it. So you haven't missed too much. There's no severe storms, nothing like that. No storms at all. This is just going to be rain and, and maybe an inch of rain and that kind of thing. So I've got to go here in a little bit. We're going to be getting ready for our 10 o'clock news on Fox. And I just wanted to come in here quickly and make sure that we had got the message across to you and why we were doing what we were doing. Oh, so see, here's Linda. And hello, Linda. There you are. I live in Cleveland, Tennessee, and my pecan tree, or is it pecan tree, or is it pecan? I think it is growing up. I would have said pecan has not started blooming yet, so winter is not over yet. See, Linda, thank you for that help. And Linda, hi to you. So that's about all I had for you right now, friends. And of course, Ryan and David will be updating as we go through the next 48 hours with this. And I just want you might want to get some of the things. If you have some furniture outside, some patio furniture or anything like that, you might want to, bring it in or uh, stow it away here for the next couple days at least, and make sure you don't have anything happen to that. So just a few things, a few thoughts for you tonight, and I hope you have a great week ahead. And just be cautious during our weather alert periods. Have a great night.